Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah Martin with The Contoured Chemist. Today we are going to be doing some recreating the looks. So if you are new to 3D foundation, new to Seint, new to Demi, you might not know what I'm talking about, but it's brand new to Seint Official that they just put out our very first of the series for recreating the looks. And the 4 looks that they just did are for fall, which is my favorite time to do some fall makeup looks. I'm so excited. So I am going to show you guys a little bit about the looks that are featured on Seint Official, how I might tweak them for my eyes or for mature skin. And then I'm just going to show you the looks. We're going to play around with some of these fun combinations and give you some of my tips and tricks for them as well. So if you want to check them out, please keep watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for being here. Okay, friends, so I want to go through these 4 recreations of the looks as quickly as possible so you guys can see what I would do differently, the final look on my skin tone, and my tips for wearing some of these shades. So I already did my full face. I'm going to, not my full foundation, that way you guys don't have to watch me do it again. I will link some videos down below on application. If you are new, I apologize if you hear my kitten is about to jump on top of my table. He is in playful mode. It'd be fun to do each of the 4 fall looks. Now this is brand new from Seint. If you go to Seint Official, you will see there are 4 different collections. You can watch a really quick tutorial. They're only like 1 minute, 1 look with this collection. Obviously, there are a lot of different ways you can wear these colors together. So I'm gonna show you how I would do it or what I might change for each collection. This is going to be something that Seint is going to keep doing based on holidays. So there'll be new ones coming out for Halloween looks, and then Christmas time, New Year's, and then with the changing season. So I'm super excited to see some of the looks that they're gonna create. They're all so good. And as I said before, fall is my favorite. I'm in fall mode, even if my state is not quite there yet. So let's go ahead and get started. All I did was on my normal application, same colors, mango, sandy. I didn't even brighten. I did use Indigo as a contour. If you see the tutorials online, they're shown on 2 different models, one of lighter skin tone and one of darker skin tone. So it's kind of hard to tell if you are one or the other, what the look might look like on your skin tone. I know I'm super jealous of the darker skin because those colors pop so well. I know they're gonna look differently on me because I've worn them plenty of times. So hopefully this will give you a good idea of what they would look like someone in the middle. I consider myself in the middle. And maybe different ways you can tweak some of the application if you do have more hooded or more aging eyes like I do, which can affect some of these application methods in my opinion. Okay, friends, we finally made it to look 4, Tailgate. Kind of saved the best for last, not really. I'm not gonna say best. I'm gonna say this look is the most versatile. The colors are the most versatile, easy to wear every day, most like what I wear on a daily basis. And you can use these colors in a multitude of ways, okay? A beautiful bronzy look. Can you guys guess that I like bronze? Y'all know I love my warmth. So these are the colors in this look. Very neutral, yet warm, fall-esque, and colors anyone can wear, in my opinion. To be honest, there's not a lot I would change about this look. It's very easy, very simple. There's 2 lip and cheeks, Sandstone and Desert Sunset. Mix and match. Wear one on the lips, one on the cheek. These colors will always look amazing together. You got a matte, you got a gloss, so you can easily put down the matte and then add the gloss over it for a little bit of glow. Y'all know that's what I'm gonna do. So let's start with lip and cheek. So Sandstone is the color. Oh gosh, it's stuck. Sandstone's the color. This is like the color of fall in my opinion. Always has been, always will be. I love Sandstone or Plum. Sandstone's gorgeous. Very pigmented. A little goes a long way in my opinion. So I'm just gonna touch it one time. And it gives that beautiful warm look. So pretty. So they had the model just wearing that on the cheeks. I'm gonna add a little Desert Sunset over it because I like a little bit more glow. This color truly, I feel like does not change colors you layer it over much. It is very neutral, just a beautiful sheer gloss. So it's not gonna really change it much except for add a little bit more glow to the cheeks, which is my favorite. Okay, this Tailgate collection has the new suede lip liner. So I'm just gonna line my lips and then use that Desert Sunset for a nice neutral lip. One of my favorite combos. If you want to darken a little bit, you can just barely tap into Sandstone and press that on. It's very versatile. Also has my favorite illuminator of all time in it, which is rose gold. I believe this is a perfume instead of just straight rose gold, but the collection has straight rose gold. If you have a perfume, rose gold is what is in all of our perfumes. So you can use the perfume in the same way. It just has the Cupid's bow getting brightened. I'm going to load up on the cheekbones. And then also that inner corner. And under brow highlight. Love this. So the eyeshadows. These eyeshadows are really easy to wear, I will be honest. We have 3 mattes, Valencia, Bubba, and Tangerine. Y'all know I have an obsession with Bubba. As you can see, it's pan, and I have multiple because I wear it all the time. But we also have another cream eyeshadow in here. And this is probably my favorite of all the shades. This is Spiced. It is so pretty. And the model tutorial is showing it the way I like to wear it as well, which is as a liner to kind of like smudge out the lash line and add some depth. Oh, so pretty. That will not crease on me. So that is the way I normally like to wear mine as well. So let's go ahead. I would change very little about how I apply. So they have Valencia in the crease. Valencia on me is almost too light to be used as a crease shade, but I love it for an all over color and it will still give the same effect. So just take your eyeshadow brush and kind of just do a wash across your entire eyelid. Okay, so it has them just adding it here on the outer corner and I'm gonna need a little bit more depth there. And then I don't feel like it has anything shown on the inner lid, but this is a really good color to use as an option for if you don't want to set with Vanilla Dust and you just want to use one color all over. Valencia works on a lot of skin tones. It's just a little bit warmer than Pup, a little bit warmer than Chai. There's Chai next to it. Now, if you have a lighter skin tone than I do, then you could probably easily use that as your crease shade. For me, Bubba is one of my favorites. I do have to apply a little bit more of this one. I consider a Valencia I think 2 shade. Guess I'll have to correct, I think. 2 to 3 shade, and Bubba is a 4. So when I use a 4 shade in my crease, I just have to apply a little bit more. I like to go ahead and concentrate this color on the outer corner, less so the inner part of the crease or hood, as opposed to the tutorial. This will just close off my eye more. Since I have small eyes, I want to make them larger. Just concentrate it over here and less so here. So kind of flip-flop the way they did it. If you have hooded eyes like me, you kind of want to bring that color up high on the corner instead of high on the inside. Does that make sense? You're not gonna be able to see much here. It's just gonna close off the eye. Again, this is something highly dependent upon your eye shape as well. The model has very different shaped eyes than I do. So for me, it doesn't work. So always tweak anything you see based on what will work for you. I feel like at any point you can stop and this would still be a beautiful eye look, but we've got 2 more colors. Okay, so it has, using this tangerine color as the outer corner. Probably not the most depth you're gonna get from this shade, but it will definitely give a pop. Again, this color doesn't have a whole lot of depth to it because it is brighter, but you can see it will add a lot more of a pop anywhere you put it. So whether you want the pop to be up here, you could put this color anywhere. This is the brightest of all the 4 colors. So I would probably use Bubba for more depth. Then I feel like I can get more depth from it at the outer corner, but it depends on the look you're going for. If you want more depth, then use a less bright color. The brightness will give you more of a pop. Okay, or layer them like I just did. Okay, last but not least, we're gonna use that spiced. Now I do recommend using the multitasker for these cream eyeshadows. Okay, I'm gonna load it up and then I'm going to draw it along that upper lash line. These creams can be a little dry, so just know that sometimes you have to like warm it up really well with your fingers. Look at that. There's a lot more color once you get it warm, but if they're brand new, they almost have like a film at the top. Okay, so I'm gonna use this and bring it out a little bit farther in the outer corner to give me a little bit more depth. And these are awesome because they can kind of blend out so well. And I'm going to, instead of just putting Tangerine on my lower lash line, I'm gonna use this one. I am all for the bronzy look, and this is a really amazing color to be able to kind of give you that smoky bronze look with very minimal effort. And I feel like we don't have a powder eyeshadow that is the same tone. And so I do love this one. Okay, so I smoked out my little lash line a little bit more, so less orange, a little bit more bronzy than she did, but just shows you another amazing way you can wear these colors. If you are brand new to Seint and you need help picking the highlight colors, the contour colors, the things that I didn't even show, I'd be more than happy to help you out with your color match. Color match request link is in the drop box below the video. Just fill that out. Let me know how you like to wear your makeup and I will shoot you back a custom color match just for you. Grab a collection if you saw one you liked. I believe they are going to be available till November. Double check and put them here, but Halloween ones will be dropping as well, so stay tuned for those. I'm excited to see all the different looks that they create throughout this next year. It should be so much fun. And I would love to hear from you. Which look was your favorite? I know I have my favorite. Can you guys guess? For you to drop it in the comments. Which look was your favorite? 1, 2, 3, or 4. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next week. Love you.